Welcome to the spicy world of chilies, where heat meets flavor in a dance of intensity and culinary delight.
Chilies are fruits belonging to the Capsicum genus and are native to the Americas, with their use dating back at least 6,000 years.
The substance that gives chilies their characteristic heat is called capsaicin, a chemical compound that can temporarily affect your neuropeptides, tricking your brain into feeling the sensation of burn.
The heat of chilies is measured in Scoville heat units, SU, a scale developed in 1912 by pharmacist Wilbur Scoville.
Bell peppers score a 0 on the Scoville scale, while the Carolina Reaper holds the world record for the hottest pepper, averaging over 1.5 million shu.
Chilies are incredibly versatile in cooking, appearing in cuisines all over the world, from Mexico's jalapenos to India's ghost peppers. Capsaicin, aside from making chili spicy, has been shown to have various health benefits, including pain relief, reduced inflammation, and even weight loss. Birds are immune to capsaicin, which is why chilies can be dispersed by birds after eating them without any discomfort.
Chilies can be used not just in food, but also in self-defense sprays, due to the intense irritation capsaicin causes to the eyes and skin. The color of a chili doesn't determine its spiciness, rather the capsaicin content does. Color can, however, affect the pepper's flavor and sweetness.
The But jolokia, also known as the ghost pepper, was the first pepper ever to hit over 1 million shu on the Scoville scale. Chilies are not only consumed for their heat, they are also packed with vitamins C and A, making them a potent antioxidant source.
Over 400 different types of chilies are grown all over the world, each with its own distinct flavor, heat level, and usage in cooking.
The world's largest chili was grown by Ed Curry and weighed in at 343 grams, 0.75 pounds, setting a Guinness World Record.
Contrary to popular belief, water doesn't relieve the burning sensation of spicy food. Instead, try drinking milk or eating yogurt to counteract the burn. In some cultures, chilies are used symbolically in ceremonies and rituals, representing purification and warding off evil spirits.
Some studies suggest that regular consumption of chilies can lead to a longer life and a reduction in the risk of death from cardiovascular disease.
Chilies have been taken to space. Astronauts on the International Space Station grew and tasted space-grown chilies, testing the potential for cultivating crops in space.
An interesting agricultural fact: chilies are part of the nightshade family, related to tomatoes and eggplants.
The most expensive chili pepper in the world is the Aji charapita, originating from Peru. Prices can go up to $25,000 per kilogram due to its unique flavor and rarity. Cooking with chilies is an art. Removing the seeds and inner membrane can reduce the heat, but retain the pepper's flavor.
The first recorded sale of chili powder was by D.C. Pendery and William Gebhard in the late 19th century in Texas, revolutionizing Tex-Mex cuisine.
Climate and soil type can significantly affect the spiciness of a chili pepper, with stress conditions like high temperatures increasing capsaicin production. In traditional medicine, chilies have been used to help treat conditions such as arthritis, psoriasis, and diabetic neuropathy.
Archaeologists have found evidence of chili peppers being used in cuisines as early as 7500 BC in Mexico.
Chili competitions are a popular event worldwide, where enthusiasts grow or cook using the hottest peppers they can find, celebrating the culture and love for chilies. Surprisingly, processing chilies through cooking, drying, or pickling can alter the capsaicin levels and hence the spiciness.
Some chili aficionados undergo a desensitization process, gradually increasing their tolerance to capsaicin, allowing them to enjoy incredibly spicy dishes.
Capsaicin is soluble in alcohol and fat, but not in water, which is why some cultures serve a fatty or alcoholic beverage with spicy meals.
Chilies can vary greatly in size, from tiny piquin peppers to large, sweet bell peppers.
Interest in cultivating and consuming rare and exotic chili varieties has grown, with online communities and festivals dedicated to the love of spicy food.
The Scoville scale, initially a subjective taste test, has now been supplemented by more accurate laboratory methods, such as high-performance liquid chromatography.
Lovers of spiciness claim that eating hot chilies releases endorphins in the brain, leading to a natural high, often referred to as the chili endorphin rush.
Capsaicin cream is used in topical medications for its analgesic properties, providing relief for minor pains and aches.
Preserving chilies through drying means they can be ground into powders, used in oils, or rehydrated in cooking, offering a versatile range of uses.
The chili pepper was introduced to the rest of the world after Christopher Columbus brought it back to Spain, quickly making its way into cuisines across Europe, Asia, and Africa.
Thrill seekers and those desiring to test their limits often participate in chili eating contests, which can sometimes lead to temporary discomfort or minor health issues due to the extreme capsaicin intake.
The fermentation of chilies is another way to enjoy them, used in the making of hot sauces and salsas, adding a complex flavor profile to the heat.
Interestingly, the heat sensation from eating chilies is a form of neurogenic inflammation that can improve pain thresholds over repeated exposure. Research continues on the potential for capsaicin to aid in combating obesity by increasing metabolism and fat burning. End the fiery journey through the world of chilies, where we've uncovered a spectrum of flavors, health benefits, and global culinary uses. Thanks for joining us.